These are super important, need to be like factored in tremendously up in the brain. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and do you need assistance with Young Living? Well, this person does, and they left a Reddit post in the subreddit of the Anti-MLM group. So this is what it says here, as you can see. It says, need assistance with a Young Living issue. Uh-oh. What we got here? We're about to find out. Alright, they say, hey all, I've been an ardent follower of r/anti-MLM, so this whole anti-MLM, you know, thing they got going on here, for some time now. Even had my own run-ins with Cutco/Victor some times ago. Alright, so they got some experience with the MLM and apparently the anti-MLM communities. They say, however, at the moment, I'm at university and received an email about a seminar on essential oils that was free to attend, requiring RSVP, etc. Of course, I hear essential oils, and alarm bells start ringing. So I reply with the simple, who is the vendor? Yup, Young Living. Replied again, are you recruiting consultants? We can. Are you interested in joining our team? Okay, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, nah, not so much. I'm not concerned about being roped in. I think this sub has inoculated me against that pretty well. Sounds like the anti-MLM community is doing their job. Thanks, anti-MLM community. But I am concerned about is other people seeing the ability to make loads in the next big wave or whatever and buying in. And by loads, I think she means money. Okay, making it rain up in here. Yes. No? Okay. They go on to say, my idea was to essentially set up a small stand nearby. It's in the university public grounds. And basically just kind of counter-advertise about the dangers of MLMs. I'm fearful just reading that off. I'm particularly upset that it's basically a recruitment / sales scheme parading around as education. Can't believe it myself. You know, I can't believe what I'm hearing. What should I do? Should I respond to the email with my intentions or keep that quiet? Little secrets, okay. Just want to find the best way to go about this. Edit. This is the email that I received. And so there's an email that you can see right here. It kind of has the little class flyer up in there. You know, they scratched out the pertinent details. And then you got some comments, you know, in the description below, you know, okay. Alright, so, wow, where do I start? I would say that if you already believe MLMs are a pyramid scheme or MLM scam, then there's not much I can say. That's pretty much the camp that you're in, and there's no coming out of that camp, okay? So that's pretty much it. Now, if you're on the fence of the anti-MLM and the MLM community, and you're like, you know, I could go either way. You know, I just want to hear some good information. You know what I'm saying? If you're that, then I would just say that it's important to look at an income disclosure statement from the company to understand how many people are making money, how much they're making, what percentages those are, so you know what, you know, that is going into the business opportunity side. From a product side, it's so important to understand the benefits and uses properly. And then what I'll also say amongst that is it also depends what you want to do, right? Are you trying to become a customer? Are you trying to be a business builder? And most importantly, you have to find a person, product, and company that you know, like, and trust and provides excellent customer service and response time. That's a lot of things that go in, which requires discernment, which is the ability to see the truth from the lie, or the truth from the half-truth, or the truth from the hearsay, so that you can make a what? A educated decision with regards to your health or part-time or full-time business endeavors with a network marketing company in combination with probably your full-time job, part-time job, or working from home, or whatever it is situation. So all that needs to go in, and for the people that are like, look, I'm on the fence, I ain't asked for the directions on how to build a fence. I mean, good night, that's the complicated stuff. It's like, well, that's the level of, thought process that needs to go in to make sure you have a positive experience. And so many people are not doing that, that it, needs to be addressed. Now, for the people that are for MLMs, you already know there's going to be people that have objections to MLMs, network marketing companies. There's bad actors. There's people that don't realize they're bad actors. There's people that don't have sales training or marketing training or social media training or class invitation training. They just don't have enough training or accurate training or whatever it is. And that's why it's so important for me to really just have personal development be at the forefront of everything and realize I don't know it all. I'm not trying to pretend to. I make mistakes. And I'm always trying to become a better version of myself and really help others do the same through more self-awareness, empathy, like learning about how to communicate and resolve conflicts properly. And for her, at the end of the day, she can go to the class or not. You don't need to go onto an anti-MLM Reddit post to help you make decisions about going to a class or not. If you're not going to go to a class because you think it's a pyramid scheme or MLM scam, then don't. Be closed-minded. Don't go to it. But if you are open-minded and know that according to the FTC's definition, it's not a pyramid scheme or MLM scam because they exchange real products for money. If it's headcount for money, it's a pyramid scheme and it's illegal. I wouldn't be a part of anything illegal. I'm not part of Young Living, but I'm part of another company. But at the same time, what I'm trying to say is it's so important to not just go off of anti-MLM people's definitions or our own definitions or our friends' definitions. We need to go to a governing body, the Federal Trade Commission or FTC. Links will be in the description so that you can read that and understand what they say. And these companies are still in business because they are not illegal pyramid schemes. Now, if a low percentage of people make money, that's just because making money or making real money comes down to 5 main factors, which I've talked about in other videos, but I will talk about in this video just in case you missed those. But it's your skills, your goals, your effort, in combination with the quantity and quality of your network, as well as your lead generation strategy, meaning how many people are coming in the door and how many people you're talking to on a daily basis. And so all those 5 factors right there are what determine financial success within a network marketing company from what I've researched. Is there a 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th factor? Yes, there is. Is there details to each one of those? Absolutely, there is. But the point I'm trying to make is people who are anti-MLM don't even mention these. They're just like, yeah, it's a pyramid scheme, whatever. It's an MLM scam. Yeah, there's no facts. Yeah. It's just like no. Let's try to be objective and more reasonable and look at everything. Don't just ignore it or not address it because you don't like or agree with it. Like let's get into the nitty-gritty, and then they're like, whatever. So the point I'm trying to make is I'm trying to provide the other side. And it's so important because, your success within a network marketing company, if a business opportunity is what you're focused on, is going to be limited or basically helped by those main things. Again, your skills, goals, effort, lead generation strategy, as well as size and quality of the network that you have. These are super important, need to be factored in tremendously up in the brain. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you got some value out of it, or at least looked at things a little bit differently, whether you're for or against MLMs. And make sure to hit the like button. If you did, hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can see the comments, you can read her posts a little bit better, and so you can get more details as well. Other than that, I will see you in the next video.